Hello students. This video is a guide to using the Boston University College of Engineering course sequencing tool. This tool is intended to help you visualize the possible sequences you can follow on the path to completing your degree. With this tool, you can map out your classes for each semester, keep track of hub requirements earned, and plan for any classes you might take as part of a minor or concentration. If you have declared an engineering major, when you scroll down on this page and select this link to go to the course sequencing tool, your course sequencing tool should appear like this. This is your operative plan, where you should set up the courses you are currently taking and the courses you plan to take next semester. If you have not yet declared a major in engineering, when you open your course sequencing tool, the web page will appear as this. You will want to click Select Major and choose the major you are leaning towards the most, as well as your expected graduation year. I will be filling out this form as a biomedical engineer planning on completing my degree in 2027. On the right half of the screen, you can still see the full course program planning sheet for your choice of major. On the left side of the screen is where you will be able to place these courses in empty boxes to plan out your degree path. For different majors, the CST will look similar to this, but with different required courses. This first row of blank boxes at the top are for advanced credits such as AP, IB, and GCE credits. For example, say I took the AP Calculus 1 exam and received a 4. This would grant me credit for CAS MA 123. By clicking the empty box and then clicking the course that I wish to move, you can move the course into that slot. Only advanced credits that count towards your degree should be placed in this section. If you have any further questions, check out the Boston University Advanced Credit Guide or contact your advisor at the undergraduate programs office. Now, I will add in the courses I took this fall semester. To add in a new semester, click this Add Semester icon here in the bottom left. I will select Fall and then put in the given year. In this example, it will be 2023. This application allows you to place any course in a blank spot. For example, I'm able to click here and scroll all the way down and place Senior Design 1 into the fall of my freshman year. While you can change the order of the courses outlined on the official program planning sheet, many courses have pre-requirements or need to be taken when you are at a certain class year. So you should be sure to pay attention to this and plan accordingly. If you wish to remove a course from a section, such as the Senior Design class, just click the trash can icon in the bottom left corner. Now I will add in the courses I took this fall. I took EK 100, MA 124, CH 101, EK 121, EK 122, and WR 120. I will begin to plan out the next spring semester. Again, I will select Add Semester and choose Spring and put in the given year. For this example, it will be 2024. This semester, I plan on taking MA 225, CH 102, EK 131, EK 103, and PY 211. While prioritizing required engineering courses is recommended, for the sake of demonstrating a function of the CST, let's say I wanted to start taking courses for an Innovation and Entrepreneurship minor in my second semester. I would remove PY 211 from spring of 2024 and add in a hub elective. By selecting the pencil icon at the bottom of the hub elective, I am able to label this class as the hub elective I would be taking, QST SI 250. As well, I would be able to input the hub requirements this course would be giving me, Social Inquiry 1 and Individual and Community. By clicking Submit, this will save it within the hub elective. Next, I can select this eye icon here and check off that this course is contributing to a minor. If an elective course was contributing to an engineering concentration, this is where I would check it off as well. As well, you could add in any other comments regarding the course. If you click Submit, then it will save and label it here. Next, I will scroll down to the list of hub requirements engineers are required to complete outside of their Eng courses and check off those hub requirements down here. This hub elective is giving me Social Inquiry and Individual and Community. After doing this, what is needed to be done to save and complete your operative plan is just by scrolling up here and clicking Save. As you complete more courses throughout your degree progression, keep updating this plan. Your semesters will be locked down and grayed out after you complete each semester, and those courses can no longer be moved. Now, if you are interested in planning out your future degree progression to see how to complete a minor, concentration, or even study abroad, you can create and save drafts of different plans without changing your operative plan. In the top right corner of the page, you are able to type in the name of the plan and save your progress. I will call this plan Innovation and Entrepreneurship. And then I will click the Save As button, and it will save it. If you wish to view the drafts you have created, you can click the blue icon with 3 white lines in the top right hand of the page and view all of the plans. I'm going to select the operative plan and return to it. As you can see, I have returned to my operative plan. As well, if you are minoring or taking any extra classes that do not fulfill hub requirements, you can add in extra classes. For example, if I were on the pre-med track, Organic Chemistry 1 and 2 would be my professional electives, and I would have to add in Biochemistry as an extra class. Just for this example, I'm going to be adding it into the spring of 2024, but to add in a non-requirement course, it is very easy. Just double-click the open space and enter in all the information. And click Save. Summer classes can also be added onto this planning sheet. Say I wanted to take PY 211 over the summer at BU, since I switched it for the Questrom class here. I would click the Add Semester button, select Summer, and label it 2024. I could then add in PY 211 and any other courses I wanted to take over the summer at BU. However, say I were to go back home for the summer and take an equivalent course to PY 211 at my hometown university. Once you determine that the course you are planning to take covers the BU version, then you would instead put PY 211 in the transfer credit row up here at the top. Note that transfer credits do not count towards hub requirements and that there are restrictions on online classes and steps to follow to transfer in a course. If you have questions regarding which credits from other universities can be transferred, come speak to your advisor here at the undergraduate programs office. Now that you know how to use the course sequencing tool, make sure you update your operative plan as you take and plan out more courses each semester. When you are meeting with your faculty advisor for pre-registration, they will review your operative plan and approve it or suggest changes. Once approved, the advisor assessment survey will be sent to you via email. Open the email you receive, complete the survey, and you will then get your registration code. This will allow you to use the planner and register for courses. Best of luck in all of your future courses.